Hey loves! Welcome to my channel. My name is Graceypapio. If you're new here, welcome. I do beauty related videos in this channel. So guys, in today's video, I have this makeup look for you. I'm so excited to recreate this look. This is Irene's makeup. This is inspired by Irene's makeup in the music video Psycho. Irene is one of the girls of Red Velvet. I am a fan of Red Velvet. And I did the vampy makeup look of Wendy. If you're curious how I was able to achieve that, go ahead and click the link below. In today's video, I'll be doing this makeup look. I did follow a video from YouTube showing how to create this look. If you're curious how I was able to do this, go ahead and keep watching. They have perfect smooth white skin, which I don't have, so I'm using this Keep Cool and Shine cream. This will make my skin whiter. I also apply this on my neck to make it even. I use Etude House Double Lasting Foundation for the first time and I am impressed with the coverage. I didn't have to go over my pimple scars with concealer. Good job, Etude! I don't have dark under eye circles, so I use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Fair to highlight. I skipped powder and went ahead with the eyes. I used the shade Substitute for Love all over my eyes, blending it with a fluffy brush. I also used the same shade on the lower portion of my eyes. I added the shade Freshly Toasted on the outer portion of my eye for added depth. I use Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Birthday Girl on my lids. I went back with the shade Freshly Toasted to line my eyes. I used Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Miss You So Much. This is an eggplant color. And then a nude shade of eyeliner on the waterline to open up the eyes. I went back and added a deep brown color to create extra dimension on my wing liner. Here comes the glitters! I used Roman the Universe Liquid Glitter in the shade Evening Star and only apply this on top of your crease. I'm using this as my adhesive for the glitters later on. They use gold and bronze glitters, but I only have gold, so that's what I used. Mascara and falsies to complete the eye makeup look. I use the shade Diotima, which is a muted orange shade. Super love this color. Finally, we are doing the lips. I used Coral Marshmallow shade all over the lips and added the shade Common Time on the inner portion of my lips to create a gradient effect. Seal everything with Keep Cool and Shine Mist, and there you have it. 대박! I love how it all turned out. 너만 아직도 왜 그러니 그저서야 둘러보니 Oh you say for me 손잡고 가. And there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope oops. And there you go guys. And Okay, let's silent my phone.
One eternity later.
And there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I was able to achieve the makeup look of Irene. I did use similar products. I really do love this look. Kamsamida, guys. Thank you so much. Shukran for following me and for supporting me in my journey in the social media world. To thank you guys for supporting me and for following me. I am doing another giveaway. So let me share with you guys the things that will be included in the giveaway. So first, I do have Tara sheet mask for you to try. So this is a mask. So it says egg yolk extract and hydrolyzed eggshell membrane. This is a makeup remover. It's something like this. Also gifted to us by Purito. I do have 3 for you to try. This is really nice. Also, Dr. Sensitive Activated Charcoal Acne Control Soap. This is actually from my mom. The next one is this Face Shop Jeju Aloe Ice. And this is how it looks like. This is from the Philippines. Thank you to my brother for bringing this here. And I have a skincare set for you from Mono Skin. Hairspray from Boots. This is Maximum Hold. Next one is a body scrub. This is from Tree Hot. This is Shea Sugar Scrub Tropical Mango. Nabubulol-bulol pa ako. I have Maybelline Master Sculpt. This is contouring palette in light medium. And we also have a lip liner from Maybelline. This is Color Sensational in the shade Brick Red. This is a Perpera ink stick. Very nice color, very moisturizing on the lips. I do have a couple of skincare for you to try. So you'll get this. And this one, yes, I am Toner HA 5%. This is by Jumiso. I have 2 of these for you to try. And another Origins product. So yeah, that's it for my giveaway. Don't forget to follow the rules. I'll be checking. And anyway, so I'll be posting the more details in my Instagram, so go ahead and visit my Instagram. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you know the drill. Subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified whenever I upload new videos. And don't forget to follow me in my social media, in Instagram and Facebook page. All the links will be listed in the description box. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'm not taking much of your time. I hope I'll see you again on my next one. Annyeong!